island home of the rich and shameless. I mean famous. Where some of them are rich and not famous too. The least expensive mansion on this island, $60 million. The first mansion, right in front of the boat, $83 million. Belongs to Dr. Philip Frost. Dr. Frost, former CEO and owner of Embark Pharmaceuticals. This company makes genetic drugs. Among them, the genetic version of the blue pill, the magic pill, the vitamin for the man's second brain, Viagra. $83 million. By the way, Dr. Frost is 85 years old. His wife Patricia, 45, and she is very happy. Okay, the following mention, back in the 70s, it was owned by old blue-eyed singer Frank Sinatra. Today the property is for sale for $68 million. 10 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, 20,000 square feet home. Who's the CEO of Millionaire Home Builder, a nationwide residential construction company. Here with a silver yacht. This is the former home of the former basketball player Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq. Is the former home of actor Sylvester Stallone, Rocky. And the next one, J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. White collar belongs to David Beckham, the former soccer player from England, David Beckham. The next mansion, back in the 80s, used to be owned by Madonna. 3 months to go, just recently bought by Rick Ross, who's remodeling the house. And the next one, beautiful tropical paradise, home of the Cuban-American couple, Gloria and Amelia Estefan, Miami Sound Machine. Bad Boys 2 with Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. This X-Class mansion was used in the movie Scarface, starring Al Pacino, Michelle Pfeiffer, and Steven Bauer. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, who's the people who's getting off the boat? You guys are? Okay, you see, I wasn't able to dock right here, the field dock on this part. So I'm going to drop you off here closer. So when I pick you up, I'm going to pick you up like you're coming next to the building, exactly. Right there, the blue house, right there. But I'm going to drop you off here for now. So remember to walk all the way to the building the next time you return. Thank you.